565 minus
565 minus
666.
565 minus 666.
Base
565
7.
565 minus 666.
666.
Now, what type of subtraction he is asking? What type of subtraction he is asking?
7's complement.
7's complement subtraction. 7's complement subtraction. Now, this is a new kind of, it is not a new kind, but the number system what he has given, it is a different number system. That's all. The procedure is same. The procedure is same. Can you tell me the solution for this problem? If anyone done the
minus 101 to the base of 7
minus
Minus
1
206.
to the base of 7.
minus 206 of minus 206 of
101, sir.
Sir,
101,
minus
sir.
101 to the base of 7.
someone is saying minus 206. I don't know.
No, sir, minus 101.
Okay. Minus 101
101 to the base of 7.
101 of
Base 7.
Base 7.
to the base of 7. Everyone done this problem? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone, are you completed this problem? Is this is right answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the right answer. Okay, why I have given this problem? Because not only these kind of problems, in the examination point of view, definitely we are going to get, we have to know the other number systems also. We have to know how to do subtraction of unsigned numbers. Not only our regular number systems, we have to know how we are performing subtraction of other number systems also. Like here he is giving one base 7 number system. Okay, hope most of the people already done this problem. Now I am also, those who have not done, please see here how we are doing this problem. This is my A R minuend. This is my A R minuend. This is my subtrahend. This is my subtrahend B. This is my subtrahend B. I want to perform A minus B. The same steps we need to apply. Here 7's complement means, here the number system what he has given is base 7. 7's complement is nothing but R's complement. Here we need to follow the steps what we have discussed in R's complement subtraction. Now directly I'm not performing all the, I'm not repeating all the steps. Now first I'm calculating the R's complement of the subtrahend. Before calculating the R's complement, I'm calculating R minus 1's complement. Why? Because that is easy for me. I am calculating R minus 1's complement. For that R minus 1's complement, I am adding 1 to that R minus 1's complement. This is my R minus 1's complement. For this R minus 1's complement, I am adding 1 to this R minus 1's complement. And this is my R's complement number. What I have to do? Simply I need to add this R's complement to the minuend. 565. We need to add 001. Okay. Now what is the value we are getting? Now we are getting 566. Okay. Here I want to tell you some important points. Now in this problem, the problem what we have taken from one of the previous year question paper, in this problem we don't get any problem. We don't face any problem. While adding we don't face any problem. Sir, what are the problems we face while adding? Suppose now suppose here I'm now see here. Now this is our 565. I'm taking some random numbers. Now I want to add 0, 23. Now Tell me, if whenever both are base 7 number systems only, both are base 7 number systems only. Now tell me 5 plus 3,
11.
5 plus 3,
8, sir.
8. Very good. Someone is saying directly, we don't have 8 in our base, 8 in our
11.
base 7 number system. Okay, this 8, how he is saying that, how she is saying it is 11. Now what we have to do is simply convert this base 8 into base 7 number system. Now one time and one reminder. Now this is 11, this will become 11. Now here you don't, here you don't write this 8, you should write it as 1, and the 1 carry we should forward it to the next bit. Am I clear what I'm saying? Everyone, are you following? Actually 5 plus 3 is 8. We don't have 8 in our base 7 number system. We don't have 8 in our base number system. Then what I am doing, I am converting this 8 into base 7 number system. If I am converting this 8 into base 7 number system, that will become 1 1 11. I am writing 1 here, and the 1 carry I am forwarding to the next bit. The 1 carry I am forwarding to the next bit. Now tell me, what is the sum here? 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. We have any 9 in our base 7 number system?
No, sir. No.
We don't have any 9 in our base 7 system. Now that 9 will become
12.
1 2. I am writing 2 here, and I am forwarding that carry to the next bit. I am forwarding that carry to the next bit. Now 5 plus 1 6. We have 6 in our base 7 number system. This is the sum. Everyone, are you understanding? Why? Because
Yes, sir.
here in this problem, we don't face, or we don't get such kind of problem. We don't get such kind of situation. That is the reason directly you can write it as 566. But if some problems, if you take not only base 7 number system, if you take any other number systems, this is the way of we are adding two numbers. This is the way of we are adding two numbers. This is the way of we are adding two numbers. Hope everyone, are you understanding? Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 566. Now here we don't get any carry. We don't get any end carry. That means this comes under the case 2. This comes under the case 2. What I am doing once again, I am calculating once again the r's complement of the result. R's complement of this result r sum. Once again I am calculating r's complement of this result. Now before calculating the r's complement, first I am calculating the r minus 1's complement, and I am adding that r minus 1's complement plus 1, and I am getting the r's complement. Now here what is the result you are getting? 100. Okay, most of the people, what they do, or where they will do the mistakes, here only. Actually what I am also, sometimes whenever I am explaining, sometimes I can stop here. But this you should remember that this is not r's complement. This is r minus 1's complement. This is r minus 1's complement. For this r minus 1's complement, what I have to do? I have to add 1 to this r minus 1's complement. Now this will become 101. This is r's complement of the given number, and we have to put a negative sign in front of this number, and this is our final result, our final answer after subtraction. Hope everyone, are you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is this clear, everyone?